Hey guys, Wilson here. If you're still trying to screen record Crunchyroll on your PC using generic tools like MBS, stop right there. You're basically ruining your local anime library. We all know that sick feeling when your video show vanishes from a platform because of licensing issues. Building a local Plex or MB server is the only way to actually own your media. But Crunchyroll completely blocks offline downloads for desktop users. Thanks to their strict DRM, standard screen recorders will just hand you the dreaded black screen. You'll hear the Japanese audio, but the video feed is completely dead. Even if you mess with your browser's hardware acceleration to find a workaround, you're stuck with two massive problems. First, you have to record a 24-minute episode in real time, which completely ties up your PC. Second, you inevitably capture buffering circles, mouse cursor or random system pops up. If you want a pristine server-ready archive without the headache, you need a dedicated capture environment, RecordFab. RecordFab isn't your average screen recorder. It actually runs a secure built-in browser that bypasses playback restrictions natively. There is no complicated window cropping. You just log in and hit play on new file for season. But here's the real cheat code. Check out the advanced settings. While RecordFab's capture engine can push up to a crazy 5x speed for other streaming platforms. For Crunchyroll specifically, the engineers capped it at a rock-solid 2x speed. Why? To guarantee absolutely zero dropped frames on Crunchyroll's custom web player. In my benchmark test, capturing a 1 minute and 47 seconds clip only took exactly 47 seconds. You hit start, minimize the window, and let it run quietly in the background. You get your PC back immediately. For those of you running a high-end Plex or MB server, speed doesn't matter if the quality is trash. Let's pull up the raw MediaInfo data because the numbers don't lie. We're getting true 1080p, hitting variable periods of 10.1 megabits per second. Anime relies heavily on flat colors and insane particle effects. You absolutely need a bitrate this high to avoid nasty compression artifacts and blocky pixelation during heavy fight scenes. Here is the most crucial spec. It unlocks the frame rate right at 23.976 FPS. Generic recorders often force a 60 FPS conversion, creating annoying micro-stutters during panning shots. RecordFab gives you that smooth, authentic cinematic feel. Plus, the auto-clean feed intentionally crops out the browser UI, giving you a flawless 16:9 file instantly. RecordFab is awesome for background capture, but let's be real, because it uses capture technology, your subtitles are still permanently burnt into the video. What if you are a hardcore data purist who refuses to deal with hot subs? You need the flagship tool, StreamFab Crunchyroll Downloader. I tested StreamFab on a 24-minute 5/4 episode. It bypasses playback entirely, pulling the 759 megabyte raw file in just 3 minutes and 16 seconds. But here is the absolute game changer. StreamFab natively extracts Crunchyroll's original ASS subtitle files. Instead of burning ugly text into your video, it saves the highly stylized fonts, the exact custom colors, and the perfect screen positioning as soft subs. You can toggle them on or off anytime. Optimize for background efficiency with RecordFab or demand pure speed and soft subs with StreamFab. The full trial links are in the description below. Run your own benchmarks and upgrade your anime library today.